Last Friday, the Friday, cutting the private member resolution, move to Wiabni. Move to there, move to Ridu. Honorable Prime Minister Unabagi House resolution. Low sea have a sea. Go President meetings in the sanction. Akoi Manipur Legislative Assembly Lodropadi. India ki Prime Minister Unasi Hisibu House resolution. Low Gadrab. Masi House resolution logo Prime Minister Unasi si President of Leganda Koi House Lady Ba members singi Honorable Speaker ki dignities in the Kaisa Kiduno. Taubai Abaya the by Namalabam to Eb. Aduna Budget session Kaino. I did but topic could maxing angling but the Ngang Haravan. Opposition to the cut more sensitive and hanging Bangango, a power pok taxi pipiro, a coin of Suebisu Carino, lawyer high on the budget session in Nabayaban. Calling attention, Mamam Pokalabani, Asuki Matak Makaloin Piravan. See not Tabita Atopa Hena Pava, Internet research person, Sukumbama Toragati house, resolution number Loragati, a quick Hena Pava Ogani. Santi Sipurna Bada, Mams, Sukumba resolution, allows in Adon the private member resolution to Piramagadi. Am Pagata Haitar. Aduna Laibaki losing Mama Unasi, Haibagi House Labor, Koyams in the private member resolution, the way to the Haying Kanago Womna Koi House Level, City, recorded not any history the Leho doing near Daddy. A Koi Lamam see dignity, so it in a mangan, and I really appreciate Honorable Speaker decision though Madugi resolution to Tahungi the Vese Akoyam is that can be beginning with the Honorable Speaker Wayne Tagatari.